Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video in your Creator Studio. You need the Edit view active. Once there, go directly to the end screen or cards section so you can see overlays and timestamps. Make sure you have owner or editor permissions, otherwise you cannot change overlays. Now focus on the first actionable step. Identify each card or end screen element in the timeline, click it to reveal options, and be ready to remove or replace the elements you no longer want. You now remove cards one by one. Click a card, choose Remove, and confirm deletion. Once done, make sure to inspect the timing bars so nothing lingers. Drag them shorter or set to 0 duration to prevent accidental reappearance. If you prefer, replace a removed card with a blank area or a simple subscribe prompt to keep clean visuals. Once each card is cleared, scrub through the video to verify that overlays no longer appear at the end, and that playback is. You finish by saving or publishing your edits. Platforms often process changes, so wait a few minutes and then reload the video page. If you don't see updates, clear your browser cache or view the video in an incognito window to rule out local caching. Make sure to check both desktop and mobile. Sometimes end cards persist only on one platform. If an overlay remains, reopen the editor, reselect the element, and remove it again. Then save and recheck until the end screen is clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.